they've got to be able to do is produce and show you photos of before, during, and afterwards. It's photos and videos are worth 1,000 words. It actually shows that what they're saying that they did, they actually did it. It shows that the materials that they used are actually good materials or cheap materials. It shows that the work that they actually produce and they don't miss corners or they don't cut corners. That's what you need to do. The during is just as important because during shows those materials that they're using. It shows that they're not just cutting corners. They're not just throwing paint over holes, or they're not just trying to plaster things to make it look like they fixed it, but they actually didn't fix it. Behind the walls is always super important. One thing I always want to reiterate to people is the work that you do follows you. You want to make sure that your contractors and the people you hire match that persona that you want. So always vet your contractors. Make sure that they do great work and don't just take their word for it. Make sure you see what that projects look like. If you have any questions about contractors or anything like that, feel free to reach out to me and we'll talk. Always go for gold.